When you come to Moos 2650 for your event on Saturday, you should find the doors unlocked. If they're not unlocked, dial 42900 from a campus phone and facilities management can help you out. Now if you come down to the front of the room, this is where the podium is, and the first thing you'll want to do is go to the light control panel. Top left button turns on all the lights in the room. As you go down this line, the lights can get dimmer for more dramatic effect until you have an off button. Please turn the lights off at the end of your event. Here's a campus phone if you do need help from facilities management. There is no classroom support on weekends, unfortunately. When you get to the podium, there's a touch panel for control. You'll notice that all the AV is off right now. If you touch any source, it turns on the AV. So touching computer gives you that. You'll see a countdown. The projector up top is going to start turning on. It'll warm up. The computer here is the room computer. If this screen is dark, it means you'll have to turn the computer on manually, and that's down below. The power switch for this computer is not connected to that touch panel. They're powered separately. So just turn it on like any normal computer. Now you also will note there are laptop inputs. Here are the cables. This is the VGA cable for older style computers. This is the HDMI cable for newer style computers, plus an array of adapters that work with most computers. If you're a Mac user, I suggest using the Mac adapter plus the VGA cable. There's also a document camera. That document camera is over here. It's for showing, it's for showing documents. It needs to be powered manually, just like the room computer. Note that we've got some microphone options here. The easiest one to use is the podium mic. You can turn that on and off from the touch panel. Speakers can just stand here without having to bend down, and their voice will be picked up and projected into the room. Now, if you've got a walker-talker, we do have lavaliers. This one here is a clip-on mic. The trick is to put the mic as close to the speaker's mouth as you can. For soft talkers. For loud talkers, you move it away. This is a handheld mic, good for Q&A or for second speaker or panel discussion. It's basically switch it on, talk. When you're done, switch it off. Same for this lavalier. The on-off switch is on the top. The trick though is when you're using any of the wireless units, turn off the podium mic. That way you will not experience any feedback. Now, all the projector's on now, and you'll note one of the better settings for projectors, if you choose at least level 2, what that does is it turns off the lights up above, and let's watch it switch off, and then your projector is a little more clear to viewers. That's really all there is to know about this room. If you've got any questions, shoot us an email. Thanks.